Remember, it is not a must they are going to have massive followers in the online space before you promote your products. It is not a must they are going to have about 11,000 or 12,000 or 1 million followers before you start making money from affiliate links. No, even with your 1 follower or 5 followers, you can still make money with your affiliate link. This is one of the most disturbing questions that affiliate marketers normally ask, and sometimes their coach or their mentor will give them a reply that looks somehow. Some of them will ask, how will I promote this my link, or where will I paste this my link? Some of them will tell you, some coaches will tell you, or some mentors will tell you, go back to your course. Well, that is not the right answer to that question. When somebody tell you that, hey, I am confused in all these things, give me a helping hand. You don't need to tell the person to go back to where he or she is coming from. Well, in this particular video, I'm going to details the places you are going to paste your link, or how you're going to promote that your link to be able to generate massive sales for yourself. Because myself, when I started on 27th March, when I started affiliate marketing on 27th March 2023, I made $50 the next day, which is 28th March 2023, and within 1 week I am able to generate 11,000 contacts for myself, and I sell one of my products to them. Imagine selling 500 just in 2 days. That is so amazing. Selling 500 products just in 2 days. Well, I'm going to share the strategies that I use for free. So if you're that person that have been struggling so well on where to paste your link or how to promote your link to be able to generate massive sale, don't worry, this video is a help, because I'm going to detail everything and give it to you and hold you by your hands till you start making sell. Remember, selling is one of the beauty of affiliate marketing. If you don't know where to paste your link, if you don't know how to promote your own link, you will not make any dime from affiliate marketing. But this is just a help. There is 2 ways to generate massive sales or massive lead on affiliate marketing. One is organic ways of generating leads, and secondly is paid ads. But in this particular video, I'm going to share much on organic ways of generating leads, because as a newbie, you don't have to spend money on ads. Even if you have money, keep it, because there is other ways to generate massive leads or get prospects or even customers for yourself, for you to sell this your particular product. And remember, if you're not selling or you're not generating leads, then you will not make any money from affiliate marketing. So like I said earlier, I'm going to explain further on how to generate leads without spending any money at all on this particular video. Now, how do you promote your product links on social media? There is so many social media which I will mention that helped me to generate that 11,000 contacts. You can even see how people are rushing on my DM asking me, show me way, show me how to do it. There is a strategy that I use, and you can also see where I'm sending the message. Save this number with Louis Chuku. This is not a magic. There is a proven step by step on how you're going to do your own as well, and you will get massive results like this. So how do you promote your affiliate link on social media? How I started. When I started affiliate marketing, I did not have any other income the first day that I started. But what do? I started creating content. I post one of my video on Facebook Reels, and that video got 1 million views. That is so amazing. And when it comes to the side of posting videos, because you don't have money to run ads, it's not a must that you will post your own video. If you don't have a good camera, or you're that type that don't want to show your face on cameras, don't worry. There is other ways you are going to edit videos for yourself only using your voice. Only thing is that investigate, search other people that are talking about affiliate marketing or your products, post their own videos across your social media, whether Facebook Reel, TikTok. Yes, TikTok is one of the hottest platforms to go viral if you know how to use it well. But let me start with Facebook Reels first. So I posted that video on Facebook Reel and it got 1 million views. That is so amazing. I am able to generate and grow my social media. Remember, It is not a must they are going to have massive followers in the online space before you promote your products. It is not a must they are going to have about 11,000 or 12,000 or 1 million followers before you start making money from affiliate links. No, even with your 1 follower or 5 followers, you can still make money with your affiliate link. But here is what you will do before you start posting videos. Please go to wa.link and create your own wire link, that is your WhatsApp link, using your contact or your number to generate a specific or unique wire link for yourself. It will help your audience who wants to reach you, to reach you so easily. How? They will click the link on your bio and they will have access to you on your WhatsApp. It's not really good to sell or close sales in other platforms. Why? Because not everybody will purchase what you are selling the same day. So before you start posting videos, create that wire link. Okay, then if you have created that wire link, you can now start to post videos on your Facebook reel. But if you're that person who don't like to post videos on Facebook Reels, there is other ways you can also generate leads on Facebook. Go to amazing groups on Facebook that have larger audience and post something like, for instance, if you are promoting International TikTok Monetization Growth Blueprint, or you are promoting or selling making money online products, if you go to that Facebook groups that has a larger audience, you can post something like, are you willing to change your financial status? Do you know you can even make up to $1,000 monthly by selling digital products? I will show you different strategies to do that. Many people will reach you because many people search how to make money in the online space. So if they discover that you can be able to help them, they will reach you on your DM. But there is other ways you can also do it as well. You can also post your affiliate link on their comment section. Posts that have larger comments, posts that have larger engagements, maybe groups as well. You can post your affiliate links there and make a lot of sales for yourself. But what works for me when I started is that Facebook reel. I posted my own video and it boom, it went viral and I am able to sell a lot. But if you don't want to post videos, you can also use Facebook groups as well. Then another thing that will also help you and place where you're going to generate massive sale or promote your own affiliate link is what we call Instagram stories. Yes, even if you don't have larger audience on Instagram, you can still do this one. But if you have larger audience, it will work for you so well. And how will you do that? Go to your Instagram stories, post your product or things that relates to your product, and remember there is a section on Instagram stories that you can add your links. So click that icon as far as you have choose that your photo or video, then scroll down you will see a link section. Click that link, then paste that your affiliate link on that particular video or that photo. People that watch that video will like to click that link and access your product. But if you don't like to share your affiliate link, it will also nice if you share your WhatsApp link. If people click that link, they will be able to access you on WhatsApp and you tell them more about your product, then close that sale. Then the third place you are going to promote your affiliate link to generate massive sale, it's what we call TikTok. Yes, TikTok is one of the hottest platforms to generate massive leads and sell very well. Like when I started as well, I also posted videos on TikTok using the amazing hashtag that I used to share with my students. And how do you promote your affiliate link on TikTok, or how do you sell on TikTok? It is so simple. It is so simple. If you are able to post the same video you post on your Facebook reel on TikTok, you can still go viral if you know how to use the platform so well. Yes, I did the same thing back then. I still share the same strategy with my friend who is called Prosper, and he generates massive sales for himself. He even passed me. That is so amazing. So you too can do it as well if you know how to use TikTok so well. All you need to do is start posting videos on TikTok. If you don't have money to go for paid ads, and if you post the first day, don't give up. Many people or many newbies find it so easy to give up if they don't see a result on the first day. That it works for me on the first day does not mean it will work for you on the first day. As far as you are willing to make money on affiliate marketing, you must be consistency. If you don't have money to go for paid ads, I'm sure it will surely favor you and you will generate massive sale for yourself. Don't see it as a big something. There is other ways you can also generate massive leads and promote your link, which I will still share in this particular video. But also remember that you sell so well or you sell higher than others if you are giving value. Yes, because people always want what they will get from you before they will give you their money. Just know that, and that is the honest truth. People want to benefit first from you before they will be able to purchase whatever you sell. So if you are just posting funny content or you are just posting what does not relate to your niche or what does not relate to your product, you will still find it hard to sell. Why? Because you are not giving value to people. So always give value and you will get a return with massive money. Before we proceed, if you have not clicked subscribe up to this point, you are going to miss a lot, because on this particular channel I share possible ways that works for me, and I also go through the comment section to check your question. If I see any question, I will create a video and answer you that question. So drop your question in comment section and click subscribe, then let's proceed. So another way you can also promote your affiliate link across the social media is through your friends. Yes, some of us, what we used to do when we start is you are going to create a flyer. But when I started, I did not practice this, but it still works for others as well. That is why I am sharing it. You can post a flyer or not even post a flyer. You can create a flyer. You can see different types of flyer that most affiliates newbies use to post or create for themselves. What you will do is create this type of flyer. It is so easy. Then you can share it to your friends or your family members to also repost on their WhatsApp status. If they are able to do that, also send them down your link. Then individual that wants to start selling or recommending affiliate products on marketplace will reach you through that your WhatsApp link. Then all you need to do is explain to them how to do these things and you sell that particular products to them. Once you do that, you will get your 50 to 80% commission depending on the price of the product. So this is one of the way to sell also on WhatsApp. But if you don't have money to create flyer, if you don't have money to run ads, you can still try other things that I'm sharing on this video by using Facebook Reel, TikTok, and the next thing that I'm about to mention. So another thing you are going to also do for you to generate or promote your affiliate link across the social media is what we called Twitter, which we now call X. Yes, on Twitter or X, there is about 5 billion users and many people are generating leads on this particular platform. Even myself, I generate a lot of leads from Twitter. And how do I do that? I first add my wire link or my WhatsApp link on my X bio, which is Twitter bio, and I am sharing value on my Twitter feed, on my Twitter wall. When people see all these things, they know that hey, this person will be able to give you guide on how to start making money in the online space. Some of them will reach me through the links I post on my X bio and DM me on my WhatsApp, and I go ahead to explain what affiliate marketing is all about to them, and I still make money the same day. Sometimes I also share multiple values on X spaces and people reach me on how to do some certain things. They end up buying what I sell, and this is how I am able to sell using X, which is Twitter. Remember what I said, you must be giving value. If that's your favorite comedians who is also doing affiliate marketing, know that your favorite comedians are doing affiliate marketing. Yes, they will tell you use the link on my bio or use my coupon code. Immediately you use that, they are getting commission. Remember, these people used to partner with big brands like OctaFS, 1xBet. So immediately you use that their affiliate link or that their coupon code, they are getting whooping commission. So some of them used to do affiliate marketing as well, but some of them will not tell you. But I'm here to tell you today that affiliate marketing is one of the legit ways you can make money, and so many big creators, so many musicians, your favorite comedians, they are doing it as well. And in case you are still wondering what affiliate marketing is all about, it's simple. Affiliate marketing is just you recommending digital products in the online space or promoting digital products in the online space, and you get whooping commission anytime you sell. You can get 50 to 80% in commission depending on the price of the product. So that is what affiliate marketing is all about. So another places you are going to also promote your affiliate link or sell your affiliate link is through LinkedIn, Quora, or something like Pinterest. Yes, with LinkedIn you can sell a lot. With Pinterest you can also sell a lot. With Quora you can also sell a lot. But I'm not going to talk much on this because if I start to explain all these things or details, this video is going to be too long. But let me just say this. Remember that affiliate marketing or anything you are doing in the online space requires trust. Yes, because people are not seeing you. That sometimes most of them will be like, I want to see you on video call. Some of them will be like, hey, how am I sure that you are real? Yes, they are not wrong. It's because it's online. And how will you solve this issue? How you can easily solve this issue is that you are going to be you. If you are selling anything in the online space, you don't need to hide yourself. You cannot be selling to somebody and you are not using your profile, your normal or your killing profile picture as your DP. It is somehow, yes, show yourself. Show yourself. Show yourself, most especially on WhatsApp. Even if you are not using your DP in other social media, when it comes to WhatsApp, please show yourself because this is the main place you are going to close sell. Sometimes it is good to use audio recording more than typing everything. If somebody is reaching you, somebody who you don't know, try to use audio recording. It makes them to feel you the more, and it also helps them to build a trust. Remember that when person trusts you so much, the person can do anything, and the person will be like, send your account number. Yes, if you are able to build trust, you're going to sell a lot in this online space. As a newbie on affiliate marketing, you don't really need much to start making money. You don't need a website, you don't need to own your own shop, you don't need to own your own product, not at all. All you need to do is continue with the same product which you have copied the link, then use these guys that I just gave to you, and you will see you generate massive sale for yourself. It works for me and it also works for others. I'm sure it will also work for you. In case you're that person who also wants to learn other strategies or side hustle that will also help you, I've created some videos that will also guide you the 24 side hustle you can try to also keep poverty at bay. For you to access that, click this particular video to access that, and click subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any question at all, drop them in comment section.